For over 50 years, Laude has been at the forefront in supplying cheese molds throughout the world, a matter of extreme pride to us. Our success is due primarily to our ongoing research, our eye for detail, and our close involvement in cheesemaking. It is precisely these strengths that enable Laude to provide top-quality cheese molds that are the basis of your end product. A quality cheese, tasty and of the right shape, that will be enjoyed all over the world. Laude was incorporated in 1961, when one of the employees in a small dairy in a village called Laude, located in the northern part of the Netherlands, had the bright idea to replace the traditional wooden cheese molds with synthetic molds. Nowadays, an ultra-modern factory is located in Ter Apel, where only cheese molds are being developed and manufactured, by completely specializing on the development of cheese molds. A high degree of specialization has developed within the company, as well as the presence of invaluable knowledge regarding the cheese production. The essential functions of a cheese mold are drainage, rind formation, and the shaping of the cheese. Laude has all the facilities required to translate these into the perfect cheese mold. Laude Cheesemoulds are constructed to meet all the technological aspects of cheesemaking. Before Laude manufactures a cheese mold, a list of your specific requirements is first drawn up. As we work on the principle of long-term cooperation with a satisfied client, usually Laude makes a test mold on a no-cure, no-pay basis. Laude specialists monitor this procedure constantly, wherever in the world you may be. After a period of testing by the customer, this trial mold results in one that operates to perfection and matches the needs of the production line concerned. The various components of the cheese molds are welded to each other using special techniques to create perfect joins. Advantages of this approach include longer life, lower weight and less maintenance. The Laude cheese molds are designed in such a way that they give excellent cleaning characteristics. All the materials used meet FDA and BGA standards. If necessary, we can also supply USDA-approved cheese molds. A Laude cheese mold is always custom built. The fact that cheese molds are not subject to any technical limits is one of the major assets of the Laude organization. Our production techniques enable virtually any requirement and size, dimension or shape, resulting in limitless possibilities. As a result thereof, Laude cheese molds can be produced as such that they fit into existing production systems without the need for extensive reconstruction. Whether your request concerns round cheese molds with a diameter of 90 mm or 900 mm, neither size will be a problem. Already in the 70s, Laude has developed the multi-forms concept. This concept offers the possibility to work with one single cheese line by means of constantly selecting the outer dimension of a specific type of form in order to produce a vast variety of cheese sorts models. By using this method, it has become possible with one cheese line to produce round as well as rectangular cheeses of various different dimensions, without the necessity to make worthwhile adaptations. The only requirement is the exact outer dimension of a mold, after which virtually any shape or combinations of molds within the set outer dimensions can be produced. Due to the close cooperation with various equipment or production line manufacturers in the field of cheese processing, Laude has all information required to meet the specific needs and requirements of her clients. Laude continues to develop its cheese molds to match the latest production methods. Our aim is to make a first-class product, and to do so, Laude devotes considerable time to researching how to improve its products and production process. In addition, we maintain close contact with cheesemakers and equipment suppliers. This innovative attitude has made us the world market leader in the development and production of cheese molds. Only in that way can excellence and simplicity of use be achieved. We only consider a mold successful when quality cheese can be made with it. The mold, in conjunction with the quality and expertise of the cheesemakers, is the instrument which enables the production of the perfect cheese. This is why Laude has invested heavily in the past years in the development of the cheese molds, as well as in the manner in which they are manufactured. By doing so, it can be guaranteed that should you decide to purchase Laude molds, you will obtain a maximum yield from your investment. As a result of this approach and method of working, it is evident that we do not have molds in stock, which naturally does not apply to the standard cheese molds. Only after we have designed a cheese mold in due consultation with our client will the production be started. Throughout the production sequence, from the research to the final cheese mold, Laude takes the cheese producer's requirements as the starting point. Whether it be molds in any form or size, with groove structures and micro-perforations, or if desired molds with the traditional cheesecloth, the result is always a cheese mold with a very long life and a high commercial return. In spite of the extensive service we provide, including a worldwide after-sales service of a very high level, and the time we put into research and development, the price-quality relationship of our products is extremely favorable. This philosophy and approach have created a product we are proud of. Discussions with our customers have shown that by purchasing Laude molds, they have obtained the very best in quality, and our position as a market leader is proof of this. Through the years, many cheese factories all over the world have opted for the Laude Cheesemoulds for their cheese production. They choose top-quality custom-built cheese molds as a base of their end product, a quality cheese, tasty and of the right shape, that will be enjoyed all over the world. So sit back, relax and enjoy by watching a modern production process of excellent quality cheese by using Laude Cheesemoulds.